Welcome to Easy Peasy English. On this channel, we help you improve your English through fun podcasts, shadowing practice, and practical language lessons. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, we provide clear and engaging content designed to boost your fluency. Are you ready to take your English to the next level? Whether you're learning to speak with confidence or mastering new vocabulary, we've got something for everyone. Subscribe now for weekly lessons on English pronunciation, phrasal verbs, shadowing English practice, and more. You'll also find tips for improving your listening skills through podcasts and real-life conversation examples. What part of learning English are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for visiting Easy Peasy English, your go-to place for learning English the easy way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.